My message tonight is going straight to the Prime Minister of Ethiopia, Abiy Ahmed. Abiy, you have taken a decision to have a seat for your people, but you're forgetting that Allah didn't give you then, and there's nobody to give it to you now. Instead of negotiations, you decided to destroy Somalian people to get what you want. Abiy, it's not your fault to dare it. It's our bad leadership. If they let you what you want today, you will get what you deserve tomorrow. If you think that Somalian people are sleeping, they're not. They see everything you're trying to do. They're just waiting their exact time to show or to do their exact actions. I think your grandpapas didn't tell you about Somalian people. They didn't. This is my last message. Please, Abiy, please, do not try to do what Ethiopian people and their land will eradicate from the world.